Have you ever thought about hosting a digital product on Seller? If the answer is yes, then in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to host a digital product on Seller seamlessly with just your smartphone. You don't need a laptop to do that. So let's do it together. Welcome to the Phone to Productivity series, and in this series I'm going to be showing you how to execute powerful digital tasks without a laptop. So in case you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. Alright, so what comes to your mind when you hear the word Seller? So Seller is basically a platform that helps you to sell digital products online without stress. So you have to just think of it like a mini online store. Yeah, just like an online store. Here you just need to upload your products, your digital products, and sell it. You upload your products, set your price, set your price and sell this product. You don't need to create a website to sell your digital products. You understand? So if you create things like an online course, ebook, templates, design assets, membership content, and stuff like that, Seller allows you to upload it, set your price, and start collecting payments. So instead of waiting for clients, you can package your knowledge once and sell it repeatedly. Hope you understand. Seller is just a tool. It won't magically make people buy. So because there's this platform called Seller, doesn't mean that once you go to Seller and upload your product there, people will rush and start buying your products. No, it doesn't work that way. There are things you need to put in place, and number one is you need to have a good product. Make sure your product is something that people are willing to buy. Is it really something that people should buy? Like, is it a solution to people's problem? If the answer is yes, then the next thing is clear positioning. Make people see your product as a solution to their problem. Once you're able to tick that one, once you've been able to tick it, the next thing is a strong sales copy. When you are hosting your product on Seller, you need a strong sales copy. Because when people visit your Seller page to buy your product, it is your copy that will either tell them to buy the product or to leave the page without buying. So you need to work on your sales copy, and the next thing is traffic. Where are your audience coming from? Are you running ads to bring them to Seller? Because Seller is just there. It will not tell people, okay, this product is here, oh, come and buy. No, you need a good product, you need clear positioning, and you need a strong sales copy backed up with traffic. Hope you understand. So the first thing you do is you go to Google and you type selar.co. Selar.co. Noise in the city is too much. So once you click on selar.co, the next thing you do is you create an account. This is how the interface is. These are make more sales, the best way to sell your digital products online. Sell and stuff like that. So first thing you do here is you come to this place, start selling. You click on it, start selling. So it will tell you to register. So the thing you are going to do, you register with your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and then you are good to go. Doesn't cost much, just your name. So I'll use my name, Christian. Then email address, I'm going to be using this email address, AutoJohn. Then I'll have to put in my password. After you're done with that, next thing you do is to check this. Then you click on create account. Click on create account. Then let's allow it to load. So after you are done with that, the next thing that is going to show you is how do you plan to use Seller today. So do you want to be a creator? I'm a creator. I want to sell my products / services on Seller, or I'm an affiliate marketer. I want to earn commissions reselling, or I'm a customer. I bought a product on Seller. So for this, you are going to choose the first option. I'm a creator. I want to sell my products / services on Selar. So you tick this, you turn this on, you click on continue as a creator, then let it load. After that, then the next thing you do is you select your gender, then your date of birth, let's just say 7th May 2008. You type in your phone number with your country code. So this one is optional. Just use other. Click on save. Okay. Let's use YouTube. Click on save. So now it's saying you don't have a product yet. As you see. So if you see this, so over here it's telling us that our email address is not yet verified. So we are going to go to our email, we are going to go to our mail and verify our email address. You understand? So let's go to our email. So now this is it. So now this is the email Selar sent to us. So we'll click on confirm your email. Click on confirm your email. So now email verified successfully. So now the next thing we're going to do is to add our bank details. Set your country, Nigeria, then your bank. Let's use OPay. OPay.com. Yeah. Then the account number. Alright, so you click on verify account details. So once you are done, once you've confirmed the account details, the next thing you do is to click on continue. So you click on OK. And that is all. So now we've successfully created our Selar account. So the next thing I want to do now is to host a product on Selar. So we are going to add a product. So we'll click on this add products. We'll click on it. Click on add products. Then which product do you want to add? Is it a digital product, ticket and masterclass, service, subscription, and stuff like that? So for the sake of this video, we are going to be using digital products. So click on digital products. Then we click on next. So after that, the next thing we are going to do is to upload our image. Is to upload the upload our image. So let's upload our image. Okay, this. Click on done. So that's it. Then we'll name it smartphone graphic design course. After I'm done with that, we set the price. The price is 10,000 naira. The price is 10,000 naira. Then the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our sales copy. So remember yesterday I showed you guys how to write a sales copy. So we're going to go back to the sales copy we wrote yesterday. That's the sales copy we are going to use for this. Hope you understand. So let's go. So this sales copy AI gave to us yesterday was meant for a landing page. So now we're going to tell AI to adjust it to suit a seller landing page. So now we're going to tell it to adjust it for a seller page. So we're going to look at this copy. Is this really what we want? So it has given us a full sales copy for our seller page. So what do we do now? We'll copy it and take it to Selar. Select or copy, take it to Selar, bring it here. So this place they say insert text here. You come over here, you paste it. After that, then you edit it. Very important. Let's delete this. Now we are done writing the sales copy. Next we'll come to categories. So this is under content and media. We're going to keep it under content and media. Where is it? Content and media. Then subcategory, graphic design. So now this one to ask you if they have product variations. We are not going to turn it up like different packages. This is mostly for membership package, courses and stuff like that. But for this, we don't have any variation. It's just one product and stuff like that. So that's just that. Then product type, digital product. We have physical product, digital product, tickets and masterclass, subscription, services, and all that. So we are going to go for digital product. So this course, it's a link to a Google Drive. So I'll just come here. I'll check on this. I'll turn this on. Automatically redirect buyer to an external URL after purchase. So we'll turn this on. So once they click on, I'll then put the link, insert the link here. So this is the Google Drive link. I'll just insert the link here. So once they make payment and payment has been confirmed, it will redirect them to the Google Drive, to the link, Google Drive link, or to the Telegram group. You understand? So this time around, they don't need to start coming to my DM. I'm saying, see you, I don't pay you. Oh yeah, grant me access. No. Once their payment has been confirmed, it will direct them to the Google Drive to the place where the course is. You understand? So just direct them there to where the product is. Even if it's an ebook, you will turn this off. You click on either downloadable file or read online only. You understand? Either if it's an ebook, if it is depending on the product, depending on what you are selling. You understand? Depending on what you are selling. So it's just very easy. You can do it with just your smartphone in just few minutes, and you are good to go. So that's exactly how to, once you are done, okay, let's go back to this. So once you are done, you click on create products. Congratulations, our course is now published. So what we just do, we copy this link, and now this is the link we are going to use to create our landing page tomorrow. So that is just a simple way to host a product on Selar. So today I've shown you guys how to host a digital product on Selar. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with just your smartphone. A lot of us have been asking, is it really possible to create a landing page with just your smartphone? Yes, it's 100% possible. And tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So stay connected. Make sure you've subscribed to this channel and you've turned on the notification bell and you've turned on the notification so that once we drop a video, you get the update instantly. Thank you very much for staying to this time. My name is Weze Christian Sopruchuku, and I'm rooting for you. Thank you.